Hello and welcome to my channel. So after the lockdown, TTD has come up with new changes, and there has been a change in the name of the website as well. Earlier it was ttdsevaonline.com, as you all know, but now if you go to the site, you will see that the first website that comes is tirupatibalaji.ap.gov.in, and the ttdsevaonline.com site is something like this, which is the cottage donor management system, which is not functional as is evident from the website. So we go to tirupatibalaji.ap.gov.in. These are the new updates from TTD. So the KALYANAMANDAPAM bookings, they have started, that is the bookings for the marriages, and I will just try to read this out for you, what is written in this instruction. So KALYANAMANDAPAM bookings only for marriages have been enabled in online portal with effect from 29th May. Marriage parties should adhere to the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and by the local authorities. तो अगर आप जाना चाहते हैं तो आपको सभी जो नई जो गाइडलाइंस है टीटीडी की, उसके हिसाब से जाना पड़ेगा और उसको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. Let's go to the KALYANAMANDAPAM option. Here is the option KALYANAMANDAPAM. Now here's a set of instructions that is written. So I will just request you to pause the video and go through this guideline. Now you need to check this box and click on continue. Now you need to fill this up, your state, your district, your location, and select the KALYANAMANDAPAM. And as you can see that for 3 months, for June, July and August, TTD has opened the quota. So the quota is available for the 3 months, and you can do your booking if you wish to get married at Tirupati. I have also uploaded 2 important videos in my channel. One is how you can donate for the homeless, because TTD is providing 45,000 food packets to the homeless during lockdown, so you can contribute there. The link to my video will come after this video ends. You can click on that and you can donate whatever you wish to. In fact, you can donate a minimum of ₹1. And another important video is making a face shield for your protection. So if you wish to get out, if you need to go to your work, so make sure that you are protected, and you can make that easiest face shield using the methods that I have showed you. So please do see those videos and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద